Hi, I want to show you how to make your own fizzy water or carbonated water or soda water, seltzer, whatever you want to call it, out of regular tap water. And there's three things you need. You can do that on Amazon. Open up your Amazon.com. Right now, you can pause this if you want and open up the app or whatever. And I'm going to tell you three different things you need to put together to make your own carbonation system. And what you do is you take a regular old 2-liter bottle. I think this was this Diet Coke maybe, I don't know. You take a regular 2-liter PET plastic bottle, and what you do is you collapse it so that all of the air is out of it, and you leave space for the CO2 to go in, and you refrigerate it because refrigerated cool water absorbs more CO2 into solution. And then you need this carbo cap. So carbonation cap is what you want to type into Amazon. It's $12. Buy the stainless steel one. Okay, carbonation cap. You put that on in replace of the original cap on your 2-liter bottle. There you go. So you've got cold water right here like this. Okay, and the second part is going to be the CO2 system. This is a hose connected to what's called a ball cap. So type in CO2 carbonation ball cap, and you'll be able to get this deal that connects by pulling the sleeve back, and it goes down onto the carbonation cap, and there's the CO2 injecting into the bottle. Okay, so that's pressurized now up to about 30 or 40 psi right now, so that's injected. Okay, and then you take this off, and I'm going to show you what happens down below. Okay? This is my propane locker where I have propane bottles and CO2 bottles in here. I also store other stuff like stainless screws. Anyway, this is a 5-pound bottle of CO2, and you can get that from the most popular corporation would be Airgas. Airgas will sell this to you, bottle and all, for like 40, 50 bucks. Okay, so this is their bottle, and when it's empty, you return it and you get to exchange it for a full one for less than $50. Okay, so here is, you can't see it, here is CO2 bottle, and this is the regulator. So what you want on Amazon, you can buy this regulator. Okay, so you type in CO2 regulator, and you'll get this jobby here, and that just screws right in to the top of the CO2 bottle here. Okay, so you'll need a wrench, tighten this on, and then you just open the valve and you're good to go. You put this hose on here with your ball valve, and that connects to the carbo cap. Those are the three things you need. Got it? Okay, so this is how it works. When you need to fully carbonate your bottle, you fill it up until it's tight, okay? And then you need to agitate it. You need to shake it up like this, so you can give your triceps a workout like that. And look, hey, look, now all of a sudden the CO2's gone into solution and it's collapsed. It's like negative pressure. So you need to pump it up again, okay? Don't shake it when it's connected to the hose. What's going on? Don't shake it when it's connected to the hose, because that could put water down the tube and then it grows bacteria, and you don't want that. So only inflate. It's crazy. I must have pinched the hose. Damn it. Yeah, I kinked the hose in my demo. Alright. Okay. Alright, so I'm going to inflate it again. Sorry about that. Here we go. Pumped up. So what you do is you just squeeze it with your thumb, and if you can feel it's super tight, then it's inflated all the way. Take this off, shake it again. Like that. Oh look, I can squeeze it, it dents. Pump it up again. Okay? Nice and tight. Shake it again. Get it into solution. You want all that CO2 into your water, make it carbonated. Okay? Another time. So this is why it has to be plastic. You can't use glass for this, right? Because it can explode. You don't want that, especially on a boat. Anyway, do this for as long as it takes. It depends on how cold your water is. You could take more shakes because you're not quite as cold as before. You do it until you shake it about 10 times and you can't push it in, it doesn't dent anymore. That means it's absorbed as much as it's going to at that temperature, and you're probably good as long as your regulator's turned up high enough, around the 30 or 40 psi range, but that's also the taste. Okay, that's it. So now tap water turned into carbonated water. This is also the sign that you've done a good job when you get to see the bubbles rise. See that? It's not exactly a cold bottle, but there you go.